Hey cat lovers! Ever heard your cat make a straining sound and wondered, what in the world does that mean? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're unlocking the secret language of cats. Yes, we're talking about their sounds. Cats don't just meow for fun. Every sound they make has a purpose. Let's break down a few common ones. The classic meow, that's your cat's way of talking to you. It could mean I'm hungry, I'm bored, or hey, pay attention to me. The purr, a soft, soothing vibration, usually a sign of comfort, happiness, or even healing. But sometimes cats purr when they're nervous too. The trill or chirp, this cute little sound is often used to greet you or get your attention. Mama cats use it to call their kittens. The hiss. Uh-oh, your cat's not happy. It's a warning sign that they're scared or feel threatened. The yowl. This deep, long sound can signal pain, confusion, or even mating behavior, especially if your cat isn't neutered. Every sound is like a message waiting to be decoded. The more you listen, the better you'll understand your furry friend. So the next time your cat speaks up, don't ignore it. They might be saying more than you think. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more perfect cat content. See you in the next video.